Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change our voice using funny voice effect on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot application, and as you can see I have created a project in this InShot, and I have imported my audio to this InShot project, and then I'm going to add funny voice effect to this audio. If we want to do that, we can click on the audio and then we can go to the voice effect, and here you will be able to access a lot of voice effect you can use for your audio, and I'm going to try it one by one. Okay, and you can choose the voice effect you want to apply to your audio guys, and I think there's a voice effect sounds funny, so I'm just going to select this one. Then we can click on the check mark, and then we just need to click on the check mark again. You can also apply the funny voice effect to your video. If you want to apply it to your video, you just need to click on this voice effect, and then you can choose the voice effect that you like. Alright guys, and that's how we can change our voice using the funny voice effect on InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.